Hi, Corey again. You may know me as the drummer of the Rhythm Knights Band, Stonehouse, Joe Freedom, and many more. Today we're going to talk about proper angulation of your drums. You know, we have a lot of problems with, as beginning drummers, where when you're hitting your drum, you're kind of side-swiping. And it's kind of like throwing a penny down a hallway where when you throw that penny, it's going to hit the ground, it's going to bounce, it's going to keep on going the same trajectory that it's going. And so when you're hitting your snare like this, your arm is going to naturally go this way. So if you're hitting down and you're losing your sticks all the time, it's because a lot of times you're actually doing a little hook like this, or your angle is off to where when you hit that, it bounces the wrong way. Now with me, myself, I always prefer a somewhat flat setup, only because of the fact that I'm a stick trick guy. And so with me, it's actually harder to play with a flat setup like this than it is to play with an angled setup. Because with the angled setup, everything is close, but every time you hit that drum, that stick is bouncing right back to you. So no matter where you're going, that bounce is naturally following back to your body. Now with this, if I hit like this, if I don't continue my hand like that, I will lose that stick. So you always have to, when you're drumming, remember that a lot of times the height, the angle, and your posture will be what's going to determine on whether or not you are going to be dropping sticks, losing sticks, or even getting a lot of blisters on your hands. I mean, with me, myself, I have no blisters. But then again, I've played for, I'd say, over 40 years. And at the same time, I learned that if I have everything set up properly, that stick is bouncing naturally back into my hand. I'm not fighting it, and that's what's causing your blister, is when that stick is twisting on your hand is what's causing that blister. So if you set up your drum set properly and you know how to hit it properly, because again, with mine, if I hit sideways, I just continue my arm sideways. If I hit straight down, I continue my hand straight up. So if you have it set up properly and if you use it properly, you'll find out that your hands will never ever get calloused, and at the same time, you will never lose a stick and you'll be a lot better at your job. So good luck to you, and I hope this video helped, and I'll see you next time. Take care.